leave the class, please enter again. Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, due to some network issue, my camera is not working today.
Okay.
Is it okay? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Children, now we are on our fourth phase, on our fourth assessment. The topics which is already mentioned in the classroom. Yesterday, I already mentioned the topics which will come in our fourth assessment. So I hope that everyone has checked which all the topics are being covered in our fourth assessment, right? First is we will learn about the topic loan. Next, we will learn about the topic area and perimeter. And then we will learn about, one topic was there in our NCRT book about calculating the amount of parcel, right? So in that also, many of the students face the difficulty. So I'm going to revise that topic again. So these are the three topics which we will cover in this week. So first I will start with the topic of loan. I'm going to show you video on the basis of what is loan, what is interest, what is the principal amount, why we have to take the loan, what are the different reasons we need to take the loan, and what are the different types of loan. Okay, so you just first watch the video and then ready for the questions.
Hey, Wall Street Willie, what's a loan? A loan is money that you borrow from someone for a specific purpose or an unforeseen event
Ma'am,
with
can
a
you
promise
mute
to
your
pay it
mic?
back. When you borrow the money, you incur a debt and have to pay the money back to the lender over time and a little extra money called interest. We publish a video every week, so please click subscribe. Loans to individuals are typically offered by banks and credit unions. You have to fill out a loan application giving details like your income, monthly expenses, credit score, and credit history. These factors impact the lender's decision on the loan, including the rate of interest. Why would I want to take a loan? There are many reasons why someone might need to take a loan. These include paying for college, buying a house, paying for a wedding, and buying a car. How do I repay the loan? You repay a loan through monthly payments or installments. Over a set period of time, called the term of the loan, you pay back the money you are lent with interest. Are there different types of loans? Loans can be broadly categorized into two groups. Secured loans, like a mortgage or car loans, where the lender needs the loan to be backed by an asset, like a house or car, which is called a collateral. The other type of loans are unsecured loans, like student loans and personal loans, where there is no collateral requirement from the lender. Typically, secured loans have lower rates of interest than unsecured loans because the collateral makes them less risky for the lender. We have separate videos covering mortgages, student loans, and personal loans in detail. Click on those videos to learn more. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the two different loans.
That is not in your syllabus, but there are two different type of I'll explain you as the name were discussed: secure loans and the unsecure loans. Secure loans are the loans which we take from the bank or from someone. On the place of that loan, we keep something. For example, our house. Please mute yourself, Jahan Agarwal. Secure loans are the loans. If you want to take the secure loans, like we have to keep some papers, right? Some papers of what? Papers of a house, papers of like if we want to take a loan, for example, I want to take 20 lakh loan. Bank will not give me 20 lakh loan until Jahan Agarwal, is there any problem in your microphone? If I want to take a 20 lakh loan, bank will not give me because bank is not having a full trust on me that whether I will repay it after some time or I will not repay. So on that basis, the bank has to take something from me that you keep this as your security, then I will give you the 20 lakh loan. For example, either they take my house papers or take jewelry. I can keep jewelry as a secure. Then only the bank will give me the loan. Have you understood, Ayush? This is secured loan. An unsecured loan means we are not keeping anything as a security. But the difference is secured loan mein interest rate kam hota hai because we already have kept something as a security, and unsecured loans mein interest rate is high because bank is not sure whether the person is going to repay it after some time or not. So the interest rate is high. That is not in your syllabus, just for your information I am explaining you. So first I start my class with what is loan. What is the term loan means? First of all, Ayush, tell me, what is the term? Samriddhi, what are you typing in the chat box? Just please check.
Ma'am, by mistake it gone.
Ayush, just tell me what is loan. Your first topic is you should know the meaning of what is loan.
Ma'am, loan meaning is taking something from a bank or from someone and taking something, taking some money for a amount of for a period of time, for a period of time. Like
We have to take some money or something as a period of time, and after 5 years, if we are paying that loan amount, what the Adhairya will tell me, what bank will charge from us? Is bank?
Ma'am, can I say interest?
Yeah, my dear children, please follow the classroom rules. Interest. So the amount which we have borrowed from the bank is known as what? Now tell me.
Loan.
It's called loan, and it's called the principal amount also. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is, what is interest? Interest is the extra charges or the extra money paid on a borrowed money. Borrow जो किया है, जो हमने लोन लिया है, उसके ऊपर when we pay some extra charges, that is called the interest. For example, if I have taken a loan from a bank, children, you know there are different institutions, they give loan, like different money lenders also give loan, bank also give loan. So which is beneficial, which you will prefer, which is good to prefer, that from where we have to take the loan?
Ma'am,
Bank. Can Yash explain me why we have to take only from bank? Why not from the money lenders? Why not?
Ma'am, we can take. Ma'am, but in bank it is more secure and it gives less interest.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Bank it is very secure, that's why.
And we have to give less interest on the banks. If we take from outside money lenders, maybe they charge high interest rate, or maybe if we are not able to pay the loan amount after a certain period of time, then the things which we have kept as a security, that money lenders will keep that. Okay,
Ma'am,
understood?
can I explain?
Yes, please explain.
Ma'am, see, we need a car that we don't want we don't have that much money, so we ask bank that will you give us a money? So the bank tells us that give us a security
Yes.
as a car. So we give a car to them, then we finish our all the money given, the bank gives us back.
So means you have taken the loan on the basis of security of your car, right? Children, you know there are different types of loan. We take loan.
to write?
Nothing. I will tell you when to write. There are different types of loan. Personal loan for personal use. Auto loan means you want to take a car, you want to take a bike, you want to take anything which is automobile. So auto loan. House loan, if you want to take a house, you don't have much money. For example, your house is of 50, you want to buy a house which is of 50 lakh, right? But you have cash or in bank, in your account, you have only 20 lakh. So the extra amount, the extra price which you don't have, the money which you don't have, 30 lakh which you don't have, and you want to buy from the bank, so that is your loan amount. Understood? What is the loan amount? If suppose you want to buy a 50 lakh house and you have only 20 lakhs with you, so how much amount you will take from bank as a loan?
30 lakh?
30 lakhs. Will you give me, anyone try, Rudra Mangokia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try one example on basis of loan?
For example, I want to take one new house. Then I will
House is done. With another thing?
go. Education is not done, no?
Yeah, education is not done. You can try on education loan.
My fees are left. I don't have money, that much money to give fees. So I'll go to bank. I will tell I want education loan. I will tell I want 5,000. Then they will say on what you have to keep anything for security.
No, education loan will come in unsecured loans. So how much loan you want to buy for the education?
I will take 5,000.
Okay. So any amount can be the loan amount which you don't have but you want to borrow from the bank. So any amount can be the loan amount. Am I clear to you all? It depends upon your requirement, how much amount you need. Okay. So what is the age limit of getting the loan? Who will tell me? Is there any guesses or any idea?
18?
20?
Ma'am, above 18. 18.
Above 18.
About
Above
21. 21 is the age, minimum 21 is the age limit of getting the loan. When you will go as a grade 4 child to take a loan, will the bank will give you? No, because you are not doing any job. Bank will not trust on you that you will repay the loan to the bank or not. Bank will only give the loan after 21 years of age, minimum 21 years and maximum it's 60. When you are still working, then 60 years of the age. So till that you will get the loan. And wait a minute,
Ma'am.
Wait a minute. So this is the age of getting the loan. Sit properly, Dhruv. Dhruv, sit properly. This is the age of getting loan. Yes, Man Rajodia. Now tell me what is your problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we will if we are in 4th grade and we gone to ATM, means a bank. So in bank we will write age in 21. So they will give or not?
No.
They will not prove only.
No. Until and unless you will not prove yourself with all your documents, they will not believe. Everything. No.
They will understand with your height only.
No, but everything they need, the proof they need, your ID card, your Aadhaar card, you all know these cards, right? In that, everything is mentioned. What is your age? What is your name? In these official cards, your name, your age, your address proof, everything is mentioned. And please note, we have to keep our service, like your father is doing any job, right? Mother wants, if the mother wants the loan, if your mother is doing job, then only she will able to get the loan, otherwise no. If your father is doing, obviously fathers are doing job, that's why they're getting the loan. Mothers is the exceptional case. If they're working, then only they will get the loan on their working or the office papers or the salary papers, then only they will get the loan.
My
Ma'am?
mother makes dresses.
Otherwise they will not able to get the loan, because bank needs the security that after some time, जब आप काम कर रहे हो, आपकी इनकम रेगुलर है, तभी आप रीपे कर पाओगे ना. अदरवाइज विल यू एबल टू रीपे द लोन टू द बैंक्स? No, if you're not working, you will not able to repay it. So how the bank is going to believe on you? Understood this thing? Yes,
Ma'am.
Rudra. Yes.
Ma'am, the age limit is 21 to 60.
Yes.
So if anyone is of 65, he want to get loan, then
He has to show that he is a self-employed, because after 60, the retirement will be done, right? Then if he is doing any running any shop or private business, then he has to show the papers of the private business, then he will able to get it. Okay. And before 60, 59 to 60 is the age of the retirement. Official, अगर कोई ऑफिस में काम करता है तो वो retirement age है. That's why after 60, they have to show, if they are running any private business, they have to show the papers. जब आप काम कर रहे हो, बिजनेस में रेगुलर हो, आइदर ऑफिस में हो, सैलरी आपको दिखानी होती है, then only the bank is going to pay the loan, otherwise bank नहीं देगी लोन. Okay. Now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if I don't have any car only and I am buying a new car, so what I will give?
You have to give your anything as a security, your house papers, like anything as a security. Depend on the bank to bank what the bank is demanding.
Okay.
And the interest is also depend on the bank. आपसे कुछ certain amount as a interest लेता है. For example, मुझे 500 लेने हैं बैंक से as a loan. Bank told me that after 2 years you pay me 550. So the extra amount, which is 50 rupees, is the interest amount. And interest is calculated on the basis of some percentage. And percentage also, let me explain, no one will interrupt in between. Percentage also depend on the bank to bank. Some banks charge high rate of interest. Some banks charge low, medium rate of interest. It depends on the facility. If the bank is giving you high rate of facility, then bank charges also may be high. So the interest rate depend on the bank to bank. All banks have no fixed rate of interest. Okay. Calculating the rate of interest, you will learn in your higher grades. Till now, you should know the extra amount which is charged on the loan is called the interest. And that you will find out by the difference. For example, if I said, I have taken a loan of rupees 500 and after some time, I need to pay it 550. So what is the interest included in this? Yes, children, I'm asking from you.
50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Ma'am,
question, can you repeat?
For example, if I have taken a loan of 400 and after some time I am paying it 460. So the extra amount which is included in 460 is the interest amount. So how much is the interest amount?
Ma'am, 60 rupees. 60 rupees.
60
ma'am,
rupees.
60 rupees.
Yes. And what is principal? You know, the amount which we have borrowed, the loan amount is called the principal amount. Interest is the extra amount which we have to pay after some time. And amount is loan amount plus interest. That is the amount. This is clear to you all? Now.
Yes. Ma'am, do we have to write that?
Yeah, please write this in your notebooks now. First, you need to write the definition of loan. Definition of loan, write it by yourself. What do you understood till now from what is loan?
Ma'am, where is the formula?
You write what is principal, the borrowed money, interest, the extra
ma'am.
money, amount, principal plus interest. There are different types of loan: personal loan, auto loan, house loan, educational loan. This you should know basic things. Mute yourself, please, Ayush.
Yes. And ma'am, we have to just write till amount P plus I.
Yes, amount is principal plus I, means the loan amount plus I is called the total amount.
And ma'am,
Now,
nothing for principal
If
interest.
I'm writing,
Like,
I'm
equal-
writing.
Ma'am, no
Principal equal
amount.
principal.
A minus I.
Very good. A minus I is the principal, and I is equals to.
A minus P.
So you
A
write
minus.
principal and interest equals to amount minus principal. A minus P. Now, on all the three situations, one by one, I want that you have to frame a question on this. First, you all have to frame a question on this, that what is the amount? How you will calculate the amount if principal and interest is given to you. Please write it in the chat box.
And we have to write one example.
Yes, write one example in the chat box on the basis of first situation. If you want to calculate the amount and you have principal, you have interest.
Ma'am, which
For
are
example, Vivan, wait. For example, if I give you, I have taken a loan, which is the principal amount is 400 and the interest is 60. What is the total amount? What is the total amount? Now speak.
Ma'am, what you have said, what we have to plus? Ma'am, 100. 100.
I told the 400 is the principal and the interest is 60.
Ma'am, 460. 460.
So like this, you need to frame the example in the chat box. Please frame the example in the chat box basis on the first situation. If in the full sentence, if I have taken a loan of rupees this much and I have to pay the interest this much, so the total amount I have to pay to the bank is this much. This way you need to write it in the chat box fast.
Mama, one example I can tell.
Yes, please, Lakshya.
I want to tell interest, find the interest.
Okay.
There is principal is 600 and amount is 500. What will be interest?
Amount can't be less than the principal. नहीं हो सकता.
If the amount is 10,000, so what will be interest?
What is the principal?
What will be interest? Not principal.
What is the principal? What you told about the principal? What is your principal amount first?
Find the interest. Principal amount is 600 and interest is 1,000. Amount is 1,000, sorry.
See, if your amount is 1,000 and the principal is 600, okay? So how much interest you are paying?
1,600.
You are adding again, doing the mistake, Samriddhi.
We will minus.
Samriddhi, if amount is that you have to pay after some time. In that, interest is already included, and from that amount you need to subtract the interest principal amount, and then the interest will come. Got it? Very good. Dhairya has started writing. Let me read. I need this way, the way Dhairya is writing. So please.
Ma'am, interest is 400.
Very good, Lakshya. Dhairya has written, I took a loan of rupees 300 and my interest is 50. So the amount is 350. This way you need to write the question or the sentence based on the first situation. I am expecting from everyone to please write it in the chat box.
As well as in the notebook also.
The notebook, I will tell you what to do in the notebook. If I have taken a loan of 2,896 and the interest is this, so the amount is 4,000. Okay. I have taken a loan of 1,043 and the interest is 401 and I have to give back this. Yes.
Ma'am, the loan is the interest is not 1,401. The interest is rupees 40.
40. Okay. Next,
The one is
make the sentence or make the question based on the second situation. If I have taken a loan from the bank to buy a car, if the principal amount is 500 and the interest is 90. So what is the amount? Arna, you have to tell me what is the amount then.
Ma'am, we have done the amount.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have done the amount.
Now find the principal. When amount is given and the interest is given to you. If I have taken a loan of 600 and the interest is 635, so the total amount you have to pay 635 to the bank. Anushka, right. I have taken a loan 1,000 and the interest is 50. The total amount is 1,050. Yes. Now please make the sentence on the second situation. If you have a principal amount, means you know how much is the loan amount. Oh, you need to find out the loan amount, sorry. And you know, for example, after some time, you have to pay to the bank 560 and the interest is 60. So what is the principal? What was my loan amount? What was my loan amount, children? Speak. I am expecting. Yes.
500.
500. Yes, 500. Because in amount, already the interest is included, which you need to subtract to find the loan amount. Now, make the sentence for the next situation. Now you need to find the interest. Interest is not given to you. Amount and the principal amount is given to you. If, for example, amount is 400, and the principal is 360. So what is the interest? What is the interest, children? I am asking from you. Now unmute your mics and give me the answer.
Ma'am, can you see my example?
I will check.
Ma'am, 400.
Amount was 400. Principal is 360. Means your loan amount was 360. And you have to pay to the bank. It's not 14, Vedi, it's 40.
Yes.
Ma'am, 400 minus 360.
Yes.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra Jajadia is there in the class, right?
Yes.
He is there in the class. I see his name.
Yes,
And
he's
he is
there.
sending the mail.
Ma'am,
Instead of paying attention to what the maths is being done in the class, he is sending me mail.
Rudra, please pay
Jajadia
attention
Rudra.
here.
Ma'am, can I say my example?
Yes, please.
Jajadia
Neha.
Rudra, I want the answer from you.
If I have to pay in total 6,666
This should not
and
happen
the
next time,
interest
Rudra.
is 555, so the principal is 6,111.
Let me check. Your amount was, how much you have to
Ma'am,
pay?
Ma'am,
What was your loan?
my loan was 6,666.
6,666. Okay.
And
And
and the interest was 555. So the
500.
principal is 6,111.
No. Principal. Okay. You told your amount was 6,666, right?
Yes, ma'am. So
And
minus
minus
555.
555. Okay. 600 and
600.
6,111, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your principal.
Yes.
So you have done on the basis of this situation, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
and ma'am, we have to do interest one also.
Now I'm going to present you. I'm going to send you a link in the chat box. It's a Google form, right? You need to solve all the questions with the formula in your notebook first, and then click the final answer in the chat. Listen carefully.
Today's homework or right now?
Right
Today's
now.
homework is right now.
It's right now. It's your classwork. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
I'm going to send the link in the chat box. That will be your classwork. You start doing.
Ma'am, can you send
Ma'am, we have to send you the notebook work.
Yes. You have to send me the notebook work. I'm going to paste this link in the assignment also, so that you can attach your notebook work. You please solve all these questions in your notebook with the proper formula.
Ma'am, you will give in the classroom also.
I am pasting in the assignments.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to use on. Ma'am, can we use the orange pen?
Any pen, any pencil, neatly it should be presentable. I have already pasted the link in the classroom also. Please start solving. So write the formulas also in a proper way in the notebook. Yes,
I write the example you do not read.
I will read, Lakshya. Okay?
Ma'am, I can write with blue and brown.
Any pen, but neatly. Start writing fast.
Ma'am, in the answer we have to write answer one and then the answer.
Yes, you no need to write the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Only write the solutions. Mute yourself, Lakshya. Mute yourself, please. Only write the solutions. I'm going to present my Google form here on the screen also. And I will read for you. We have already done yesterday also. It's based on the same only. You need to try to understand it. Click the final answer after solving it in the notebook. Make that I can see that you still not doing.
Ma'am, if we
You're
know
not
the
prepared
answer,
for your class.
ma'am, if we know the answer, then also.
What are you asking, Vihan?
Ma'am, if we know the answer, then also you have to write in your book.
Yes, because I need it with the proper formula.
Ma'am, we have to write the formulas also.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am writing only answers. It is okay.
No.
No, ma'am. In the notebook, we have to write question also.
No question, not only answers with the solution, proper formulas.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to do like that. We have to show the plus or minus method and then we have to write the formula and answer.
See, first of all, you need to copy down the figures. What is your principle? What is given? For example, I'm going to present it. I'm going to show you now what you have to write. And this is the common instruction for you all. Okay, in this you need to find out the amount, right? So please click on the board screen. I'm showing you how you have to do it. So find the amount, means amount is not given to you. You need to find this. Then the principal is given to you, which is 4 rupees 4,000. And the interest is given to you, which is rupees 350. So finding the amount is equals to principal plus interest. So amount is equals to rupees 4,000 plus rupees 350. Then final answer is your amount equals to rupees 4,350. Got it, Rudra Mangokia now?
Ma'am, I have done in this way. It's correct, ma'am.
I have written here on the board. Please check it.
Ma'am, I have showed the method, and inside I've written P plus I and answer.
Rudra, have you checked what I have written here on the board? Start
Yes,
doing.
ma'am.
Ma'am, the method we have to write like this.
I have written here on the board for your information. Start doing now. What is given to you, what is not given to you, put a question. I am not going to see anyone's right now. You have to click your pictures and send it to me. Here the amount is not given, put a question mark. Principal and interest is given to you. Write them, put the formula and add them and write the answer. This way you need to solve it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, the first portion, there are three. The first portion, and there are two numbers. So, and there are two numbers.
What are two numbers? So you need to click the first answer, any answer which is correct.
Ma'am, in the first answer it is option 3.
Okay, let me remove that by mistake maybe. I have removed, just check. Lakshya, is it removed from your form? It was by mistake.
No, ma'am.
Maybe it was by mistake, so you please understood this.
Ma'am, so I ignore him and
Ignore. Move on. Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, but I cannot do the Google form.
Kahan, you attach your notebook work only to me. Anyways, I have told to everyone to attach the notebook work. I will see the notebook work also.
Ma'am, but I cannot see only the Google form.
Okay, I will present. You wait, Kahan, I will speak to you. Okay, after the class. Children, at least 2 sums you have to do here in the class. And I have already posted it in the classroom. So please complete it after the class also.
Ma'am, I have done the 2 sums.
Okay, then you can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
At least 2 sums you have to do in the classwork. Vedi. If your 2 sums are done, then you can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.